And here's to you, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you well know. Whoa, God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, 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 hey. We'd like to know a little bit about you for our file. We'd like to help you learn to help yourself. I look around you, all you see are sympathetic eyes. Stroll around the grounds until you feel at home. And here's to you, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you well know. Whoa, God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, 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 hey. Hide it in a hiding place where no one ever goes. Put it in a pantry with your cupcake. It's a little secret, just the Robinsons affair. Most of all, you've got to hide it from the kids. Cuckoo, cuckoo, Mrs. Robinson. Jesus loves you more than you well know. Whoa, God bless you, please, Mrs. Robinson. Heaven holds a place for those who pray. Hey, 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 hey. Sitting on a sofa on a Sunday afternoon, I go to a candidate's debate. Laugh about it, shout about it when you've got to choose. Every way you look at it, you'll lose. Where have you gone, Joe DiMaggio? A nation turns its lonely eyes to you. Ooh, what's that you say, Mrs. Robinson? Jolton Joe has laughed and gone away. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, darkness, my old friend. I've come to talk with you again. Because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping. And the vision that was planted in my brain still remains within the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, narrow streets of cobblestone, beneath the halo of a street lamp. I turned my collar to the cold and damp, when my eyes were stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night and touched the sound of silence. And in the naked light I saw 10,000 people, maybe more. People talking without speaking, people hearing without listening, people writing songs that voices never share. No one dared disturb the sound of silence. Fool, said I, you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence. And the people bowed and prayed to a neon god they made. And the sign fleshed out its warning and the words that it was forming. And the sign said the words of the prophets are written on a subway wall, a tenement hall, and whispered in the sound of silence.